So what is perspective? Perspective is technique to create the linear illusion of depth. As objects get further away from the viewer, they appear to decrease in size at constant rate. So we need a horizon line and vanishing point. And there is a lot of perspective. 1 point, 2 point, 3 points, more than 6 points. You may ask why we need perspective. Of course we need perspective to give 3D feeling to our drawing art. Yes. And it is the first step to draw in 3D. And this is how you master the perspective drawing. Oh, Mr. White, you are here. I don't want to cook right now. I want to show the people how to draw perspective. So yeah, see you later. I really don't know when I will finish it, but I will try my best and finish the portrait. So yeah, let's start. All we need is this and the pen and of course the paper. First step is drawing the horizon line. Easy step. Next we'll trace our square in the middle of the horizon line. So yeah, this is what we call it, the linear perspective. There is no depth, no 3D, no nothing. So let's add our vanishing point and see what happens. Let's put our square below the horizon line. The next step is easy. We will extend the axis from our square into the vanishing point. Add some lines here and we have it, 3D shape square. It looks magnificent, beautiful and real. Now this we should call it a box, not square, because finally it has form and 3D view. We can try it up here and do the same thing. Maybe you don't like squares. You can do it with the triangle shape. Yes. So guys, I hope you learned something today, and for any question, leave it in the comment section. We'll try to answer soon as possible. See you in the next episode for 2-point perspective or 3, I don't know really. So yes, bye.